I come from Venezuela.
I grew up in Turkey.
I moved here 7 years ago.
I came here when I was 17 years old.
I was 10 years old. I did not know any English.
I was lucky enough to be able to come here, finish high school here, and then started college.
I majored in international business and I was part of the Women in Finance program. I'm studying international business with a concentration in finance, and I'm minoring in economics and French.
The collaboration between StoneX and Rollins over the last 5 years that I've been involved has been remarkable, and I think we see that with the student outcomes. So StoneX has been a partner for us in internships for our students. They've hired our students for full-time jobs. They're heavily involved in our Women in Finance program.
It wasn't until my sophomore year when I started the Women in Finance program that I was taking the courses that made me realize that this is what I wanted to pursue, particularly in the financial services industry. I was part of the Women in Finance program here at Rollins, and that's when I was introduced to StoneX.
My favorite part of working with all these students is meeting them and being part of their journey and being a resource for them. I derive a lot of benefit from being a resource to others.
The fun part for me is watching it click. When young people come into our organization and they start to figure it out, they start to get it, and it all starts coming together, and that's a fun thing to watch.
We've been running our Women in Finance program here at Rollins for about the last 5 years, and from the very beginning, StoneX has been an employer partner of ours in this endeavor.
They have offered amazing opportunities for our Women in Finance students. We traveled with a group of 8 students to StoneX in New York. They had the opportunity to ask questions, so really converse with these professionals about the challenges that the field offers.
The value for the students by having the interaction with StoneX, having our employees come on campus and lead seminars, having the students travel to our different offices in New York and other parts of the world. The value is giving them some real training on the ground and seeing what professional life really looks like and start to understand what to expect. And I think it's benefited our organization as we evolved in parallel. You know, it's a diverse industry, and we have an incredibly diverse workplace, and we want people who can reach out to clients and build a relationship and do that very quickly.
For our clients, to serve them best, we need to solve their problems. And those problems can come in many ways. It could be, help with an order, or it could be, can you please give me some detailed information about what's going on in the remote part of the world. And I think the multicultural aspect, where by naturally knowing the area and understanding some of the nuances, you can put together a better narrative or like a picture for your client.
Unique candidates make unique employees, and those are unique ideas. Those are people willing to come in and look at things a different way and really be able to create different processes out of it, create better efficiencies, really learn to optimize things. That's exciting, and that's exactly what you want in your company. It's shaping that experience at StoneX that translates directly to our clients.
I think our clients benefit from having access to our internship program and our young people coming in because the workforce is getting younger. Every bank we deal with, every broker-dealer, all the institutions, they are bringing in young people, and they want people on the other side of the phone or the chat to speak their same language. We're getting fantastic candidates, and we hope that we can take the positive experience that we've had with Rollins and replicate that with the other colleges and universities around the world that we deal with, and continue to bring in people who are going to drive our organization forward and be here to make sure that both our company, our shareholders, our clients have a strong future.